So let me show you guys how to install the latest version of Python on Windows 10. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Python and press enter. From here, click the official link python.org. Place your cursor on downloads and click Python 3.14.6. So currently this is the latest version. So click it and wait for the exe file to get downloaded. So from here, right click and click open to continue with the setup. So from here, click use admin privileges when installing, as well as add Python to path, and click customize installation. So from here, leave all the settings in default and click next. Under advanced options, click install Python 3.14 for all users. Here is the direction where Python will get installed. Leave it in default and click install. Click yes. So the setup was successful. Click close. So let's verify the installation. Click search bar and type cmd and press enter. From here, simply type Python space -- version and press enter. And you can see that you have successfully installed Python 3.14.6 on our Windows 10. Thanks for watching.